What do banana peels do for your garden? So many things. So one of my favorite things, of course, is bananas. They're so healthy for you. But the banana peel, which, okay, you can put it in your composter, absolutely. Or you can take this banana peel and you can cut it up and plant it. Plant it around your plants. Just dig a trench around the plants, cut up the banana peel, put it in there. Don't let it touch the plants because you just want to keep it a little bit away from the plants. But, you know, put it inside the soil, cover it up. As it breaks down, it's going to provide phosphorus to the soil. Now, phosphorus improves fruiting and flowering. So if you have flower plants or plants that you have fruit on that you want to create some good fruit-bearing plants, that assists with that. It also assists with pollination, believe it or not, seed germination. It's awesome. So if you want to benefit your garden, a little banana peel doesn't hurt anything. So chop it up, cut it up, put it in your garden, dig it around your plants, benefit from the banana peel, and you have a great day.